Hi, I'm Keenan Casey for TESPlus.com. In this lesson, we're going to be introducing the basic concepts associated with the network layer. This has been the outline of our course. We've talked about the application, transport, and now we're in the network layer. We're going to talk about the IP protocols and routing protocols. First, let's consider what is the point of the network layer. What's its main goal? We talked about the transport layer, and its purpose was to communicate between processes, between the transport layer at the sender and the transport layer at the receiver. The network layer, however, is concerned about the host-to-host communication, which means all of the individual links on the path between the first sender and the final receiver. So the network layer is concerned about the complete path. You can see in this case, maybe over these 6 links and these 5 routers. The job of the network layer is to determine the route taken by packets from the source to the destination across many intermediate hops. It then has to transfer the datagrams across that route. Let's begin by making this distinction between routing and forwarding. Routing is a global decision that determines a route taken by a packet from source to destination. Forwarding, on the other hand, is just moving the packets from the router's input to the appropriate output port. This is a local decision. By way of analogy, we can imagine routing is the process of planning a trip from California to New York and all the roads that you'll have to take to get there. Forwarding, on the other hand, is just the process of getting through a single intersection, choosing at this intersection to go left, right, or straight. This is the difference between routing and forwarding. It's a difference between global and local decisions. The Internet network protocols involve 3 components. First is IP. This is a best effort protocol, which means it's unreliable. It's also connectionless. IP may lose, reorder, or duplicate packets in its work of routing packets from source to destination. The second piece of this puzzle is the routing protocol. There are several routing protocols. Their job is to select the path, to find the path across all the intermediate links. And there are many of those that exist, RIP, OSPF, BGP, that are involved in the global internet. The third piece is sort of a helper protocol for IP. It's called ICMP. It's for error reporting and signaling with IP. We'll take a look at each of these in upcoming lessons. We've started looking at the network layer in the Internet protocol stack. This layer is all about finding paths from source to destination over multiple links. We'll be looking at IP, which is the main protocol that does this, as well as the routing protocols which help find those paths. I'm Keenan Casey for TESPlus.com. Thank you for watching.